Hi, Edo. I'm Sujit from Advanced Excel Training Center, IIT Excel School, and today we learn about the Power Query in the Excel 2016 and 19. So today discuss about the Power Query. So we have the one data file in our desktop, and I want to import the data in this Excel and connect the internet page data. So first click on the get data from file, click on the from file and select your file and import. Wait few seconds. Your import connection will be loading. And select your sheets, choose your sheets, and after check your data and click the load and save. And your data will be imported. So we have on the one data have the rank, have the country area and populations. But I have the my data is the rank, country area and population. But I want to one on record the number of mobile users. But number of mobile users, I have no data, I have no idea. So we have find on to Google. Search here world mobile user by country, and we get the Wikipedia results, and there is the data. So just click on the URL of the sites, and this record I want to load on the Excel. So click on the next on the data. Click on the from there, and just paste the URL on the URL box and wait few seconds. And there is your documents. So we have the three documents. First, the documents. There is your HTML site details. Third is your table list. In this URL have a four table, and this is the your data. This is the my data. So we have click the load. But I don't want to the load data. If you don't want to the load data, click the transform data. But I have clicked the load data and insert the new sheet, and our data will be loaded. But I want to data rank, country, population, and mobile number users. So usually we have applied the VLOOKUP. Usually we have applied the VLOOKUP, and as per your country basis, we have picked the data from the this column. So I don't want to show the data and don't want to apply the VLOOKUP. Then we use the Power Query and Merge Query. So click on the Merge Query and click on the Merge, and select here the table sheet 1, because sheet 1 is our main sheets, and second the table 0, and sheet 1 is the country area connect with the country region area, and here said estimated match 74 matched of the 253 rows. So 73 match from the sheet 1 to table 0. Then press the OK, and after the press OK, you can get the Power Query editor. So we have choice which data you want to calculate. So we have select here number of phone numbers, and we have got the here phone numbers. You can want to insert the one extra column. You can also insert the extra column. But we have not don't want to insert the one star column. If you want to, then press the OK, insert the star column. The column 1 and change the name just like the rest. And we have, but just because this is a query, so no need to star column. And press the load and save. Load and close. You can got the new sheets, and in sheet we have the data from the your WM file and second data from the your internet. But we have created the two odd sheets, so don't want to these sheets. So select here and just delete your sheets. Sheets so here connection only. So if you want to just connect your data and you want to get the final result, then when we connecting your connections, we have select the transport and a collection only. So we get the data. This is the power query. So keep watching our videos on my channels. We have uploaded the accelerated videos, Excel training videos, and advanced Excel VBXs. Everything will be we have discussion area, and our query like our our video language Hindi and English also. And if you have any doubts and any query, feel free call me, WhatsApp me, mail me. And if you want to join our classes, log on website iptindia.com and fill the demo classes. So I joined twice and three demo classes. If you like this training, then go to the joiner process. Okay, bye. Meet you in the next video.